3, 2, 1, 0. 0.98 volts.
I need to drink it. This drink makes electricity, but which one?
Hi Wonder Crew, I'm Tara. I have a degree in engineer. I have collaborated with NASA and I absolutely love science. Today I wonder, this drink makes the most electricity, but which one? And look, I'm wearing our lovely collectible pin that one of you will win today where you're comment below. What is your prediction? Which of these drinks will make the most electricity? Comment below for a chance to win our collectible pin. And today with us is Mia and my son, Atisha.
What do you mean? I'm always here.
It's true, he's always here.
I think my favorite drink that we're gonna get to open today and I get to drink after the video is the Sprite.
So the materials we need is a multimeter, alligator cables, plastic cups with our copper and zinc metal sheets, and I place them using tape. So now, first we're going to try Sprite.
Yes! I get to drink this after the video, right? Here, I got this.
You got this, you can.
Whole thing?
And as you pour this, we're going to open our Fanta. And that's about good.
Putting in the whole thing. That was the whole thing. Well, Fanta is brighter orange than I imagined.
Yes, so first I'm going to move them carefully because these cups are really full.
Because when you put the whole thing in.
Yes.
Mia, come back. Where are you going? I think you're out of frame, Mia. You're out of frame.
Mia's out of frame.
Come back. Come back. Stop yawning and come back.
So we connect our copper and zinc. We have our multimeter here.
I'm kind of scared to see what happens.
So copper, excuse me,
okay,
because copper is positive.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, the color of the alligator cable is okay. And then we have our zinc and goes to our negative. Can our drink make electricity? 3, 2, 1, 0. 0.98 volts.
I need to drink it.
To give you electricity?
Yeah. And then we can measure my electric pulse.
Yeah. Look at this, Mia, 98 volts. Should I believe it's Sprite? I don't know if Sprite knows this. Sprite, if you listen to us, your drink have 0.98 volts. Now we're going to measure our Fanta. So we're going to connect our cables to copper and zinc. Remember, zinc lights to give away electrons, copper light to receive them, and the drink is the electrolytes with those fluids go around. So now we're going to connect our negative cable here. Thank you. And now our positive. Great, excellent.
I feel like a wizard.
Now at the count of, so our Fanta have 0.92 voltage. So Sprite is winning right now. Excellent.
Fanta.
Fanta 0.92. Now our next two drinks are coming. So now we're going to test our fruit punch from Honest and our apple juice. So let's start with the apple juice.
Can I do the apple juice? Can I also pour?
A few moments later.
I mean,
the thing
first
that
of all,
me is that they're both the same color.
yes, I noticed that. I was going to say that the fruit punch looks a little darker.
Yeah,
but pretty much the same color. So let's connect our alligator cables. So now that we have our alligator and our apple juice, we're going to connect, please, here the negative.
Is it the negative?
Alligator, yes, please. And now our positive with the sink. And we're going to find out.
In 3, 2, 1. Boom.
0.96 volts. Okay,
let me scribble that down.
So now we're going to test our fruit punch.
Wait, did it just say fruit punch? Because if it said fruit punch, then the fruit just punched.
That sounds like a joke.
It is. This fruit can't punch, but it's called fruit punch.
So we're going to connect our negative here. Thank you for helping. And our positive as well.
Boom.
3, 2, 1. 0.95 or fruit punch. So
crazy.
apple juice is winning this round here.
Oh yeah, apple juice is winning this round. But Sprite is winning pretty much all of it right now.
Yes, Sprite is winning the whole race. So now our next contenders are Gatorade, which Atisha is going to help me to pour it out.
Oh, I love myself some good Gatorade. I love myself some.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Atisha. This is perfect.
What's this one called? Wait.
Now we have our coffee.
What's this flavor? Wait, it doesn't say. It doesn't say the flavor on here. Okay, but I'm pretty sure it's like, I think it's blue raspberry.
So now we're connecting our negative.
That smells
here.
a lot like coffee.
Yes.
I forgot that there was coffee too.
Yes.
I forgot.
So
You're drinking the coffee.
I don't drink coffee, but thank you.
I don't drink coffee.
Great. So now our Gatorade is connected and we're going to find out how much voltage it has.
In 3, 2, 1.
0.91.
They've all have 9 so far.
Excellent. Now we're going to test our coffee.
There's no way I'm drinking that. It smells so caffeinated.
So we have our alligator clips here as well. They're already connected. And 3, 2, 1. 0.87. So this is the lowest of
so far.
So far, yes. So now we have lemonade and orange juice, and I'm going to pour the lemonade here first
because I don't think I could pour that very well.
Well, I think it's just heavy and a little difficult to handle to pour it in one place.
There's some on the table.
Oh yeah, it's completely fine and normal.
Just got a little bit of that stuff on my pinky from
So now we're going to connect our positive and our negative.
I really needed that.
Yeah, that's good. How much?
Whoa! 90.95.
95 for our lemonade. Okay, now we have our last container.
Right now, I think we have a clear winner. Sprite.
So now we have our last.
Sprite's gonna win.
Our last drink to test today. We have our orange juice.
We will find out the total in 3, 2, 1. 8.6. 0.86.
So 0.88.
Wait.
Excellent.
It's 0.88.
So we have our winner
is Sprite. Did I say it correctly?
So Sprite was the winner today.
And I guessed it correctly.
What did you think about that?
It's crazy. I'm gonna have so many electrolytes after I drink it.
So shout out to all our subscribers who make exploring and experimenting so much fun. And remember, imagination is more important than knowledge. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.